Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix iCloud sign out option unavailable or not working issue. So as you can see right now I'm on my iPhone settings and I'm on my Apple ID, and here we can see the sign out option is grayed out or it not working. So now I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. Just follow me to fix it. First of all, go ahead and launch your iPhone settings app, and now scroll down a little bit and tap on screen time. And first of all, we have to turn off content and privacy restrictions. So here tap on content and privacy restrictions and disable content and privacy restrictions. Enter here your screen time passcode. Once it's turned off, again go to your settings main home page and go to your Apple ID, and now check the error. As you can see, it's still not working. Now again go to your screen time, and now here we have to disable our screen time. So tap on change screen time passcode and tap on turn off screen time passcode. Now to turn off it, you have to enter here your current screen time passcode, and once it's turned off, close your iPhone settings app, relaunch your settings app. Now go to your Apple ID, and here you can see I've successfully fixed the sign out option grayed out problem. Now I can easily sign out my Apple ID by tapping here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.